Mm, who I am? Hello, my name is Zaira Yaidit Martinez Vargas. I'm studying psychology in la Universidad Iberoamericana. I want to tell about the persons who I admire the most. She is María del Carmen Pinzón de Vargas, who has embraced and hardworking woman. During her whole life, she was born in Puente Nacional, a small village, Santander. On October 23, 1915, she unfortunately died at the age of 70 recently. She happily married Juan de la Cruz Vargas. 5 children were born as product of that president love and love-lasting marriage. Maria del Carmen was a grandmother of 9 grandchildren and a grandmother of a great cute. She's watching him lately. She was a woman with a loving maternal soul and did greet as mother, grandmother, sister, auntie. I've separately admired her for my support my friends and especially for my mom. I liked most about her physical appearance was adaptable. Her beautiful eyes every time is so her eyes they showing me the reflection of the infinite love she was for her family. She is admirable woman and really model for me. Many are the loving moments we live together. I miss her so much, and beautifully will be meet again. I love you, mom. Bye.